Learn how to apply self-leveling cement on the subfloor of your apartment where vinyl flooring will be installed. In a space similar to this one we're working on here, if you have a commercial space, a house, a garage, any situation, I'll show you in this video how easy it is, and you can do it too with just 2 people. One person will do the preparation, mix it, and another person will do the work of spreading and leveling the product I'm using here. Well, notice that here we have a subfloor. Yesterday I applied Smart Resina as a primer, okay? If you've been following me for many years, you know that I always use Smart Resina as a primer in my applications. The self-leveling cement I'm using is Nivela Mais, okay? From Dry Lab, I also always use it in my projects. You guys know that. I just mixed a bucket here. The tools you're going to need to use, take a look, come really close here so you can see. Look, this is a 3mm notched squeegee, okay? Which is the thickness of the self-leveling compound. A spiked roller, I'll show you how to use it here, and a pair of spiked shoes so you can step on the self-leveling compound, and obviously the handle, right? The extension handle for these 2 rollers here, roller and squeegee. I've already done it. I've already mixed a 20-kilogram bag on average. It requires 4.5 liters of water for dilution, and it will have this consistency here. Look, come here. Look at this here. It has to have this consistency here, see? Look at this, look how cool. Here's a bag, see? We mixed a bag of self-leveling compound here with 4.5 liters of water. All right, what do I do now? Like I told you guys, with just 2 people, you can do a good job here. Look, it's been an hour and a half since we started over there. This hall is 20 by 5 with just 2 people, all right? One person is over there mixing the product, making the mixture, and I'm here spreading it. I poured it on the floor, show it up close here. Look, the squeegee is set to 3mm, okay? You're going to do this here, look at this. You're going to spread the product. You don't need to scrape the squeegee on the floor, you know? To leave it, you don't need to. Just its own weight here is enough. Look how cool it fills itself in. Look at this, how nice. And then you spread it all around the perimeter, okay? Look how cool this is. You just keep spreading it here, man. This extra level, it goes a long way. It has really good coverage, okay? Later, I'll leave in the description for you how much I spent. Adding up the entire square area of this hall, right? 5 by 20 will be 100 square meters, so I'll leave it in the description for you. I'll also leave the link to the website where you can buy the self-leveler, the Smart Resina, and the tools, okay? I'll leave everything in the description. And you know that if you use the coupon ARKey7 on any product on the website, you'll get a discount, okay? Look how cool this is. Show it up close here so everyone can see. Look at this, how interesting. You just spread the product with a 3mm squeegee. There's no secret, okay guys? It's not a big deal if you're planning to do it at home. Like, can I leave it like this? You can, as long as after it dries, you apply 2 coats of Smart Resina, okay? Or a PU resin, for example, all right? Yeah, like, can you drive a car over it? You can apply it in the garage. Look, now I'm going to come in here, see, with the spiked roller, doing this here. Look, show it up close so everyone can see. Look at what I'm going to do here, see? It's going to help spread the product, see? To level the product here, although it already does the job by itself, right? But the spiked roller helps with this process. It speeds it up, right? See how the marks from the notched trowel are already disappearing? Let me turn here. Hold on. Since I'm wearing spiked shoes, I can do this, see? I can step on top of the self-leveling compound. See how cool that is? And that's what the spiked roller is for, see? It helps spread the product, and also, look at this. Look how cool that is. Look how perfect the product looks as it's applied. See? Check this out. Can you see it? And it goes a long way, guys. 1 bag of Nivella Mice self-leveling compound here. Look, we're doing on average almost 5 square meters. So 5 by 1, we're doing almost 5 square meters here. Okay? With 1 bag of Nivella Mice self-leveling compound. Okay? All right? Look at that. How cool. This is an important stage of the self-leveling compound that you need to do carefully, okay? So there won't be any bubbles or waves. Show it up close so people can see. See how the self-leveling compound is spreading out evenly? Look at this one, see? Look how great this is, guys. This spiked roller really speeds things up, see? It makes the self-leveling compound really smooth, see? Look how interesting this is. You keep doing it like this while I'm here, for example, spreading and leveling. Like I told you, with 2 people, one can apply while the other is already mixing another bag of self-leveling compound, you know? So that's how you can apply the self-leveling compound on your apartment's subfloor, and then you can install the vinyl flooring, okay? You can install laminate flooring. If you have a room like this and you want to leave it natural, you can leave it like that. You can even drive a car over it. Just remember, it won't keep this shine, okay? This shine is only during the application. Afterwards, it will become matte. And then you apply 2 more coats of smart resina to fully seal the self-leveling compound. That way, you'll have a top quality job, guys, okay? So, this is just a basic explanation for you guys. It's not a big deal, there's no difficulty in applying it, and you don't need to buy expensive tools besides the ones I showed here. You're going to use a mixer, a professional mixer, a hammer drill with a mixer attachment, or a drill with a mixer attachment, because the product needs to be well mixed, it needs to be really uniform, okay? And then I'll leave for you down here in the description all the links you need to know to do a self-leveling job at your house and the tools I'm using. And also the link to the website where you can buy this self-leveler. And also the smart resina. Remember that the smart resina works as a primer. You need to apply it first on your subfloor, and after it dries, you also apply 2 more coats of the smart resina to finish it off perfectly. Look at this amazing job, honestly. I'm just going to apply the smart resina here. The client only needs to apply 2 more coats of smart resina. It's ready. He can use the space however he wants, as a garage or for storage. Do whatever he wants here. It's all good. That's the tip from the video. You can use it confidently. I've used this product for years in my work and recommend it to you. The information is down below in the description of this video. Take care.